How to purchase concurrency slots. This video walks you through the process of buying concurrency slots for your account. We are going to purchase concurrency slots in just 3 steps. So to do this, let's start with the first step, which is adjusting concurrency slot quantity. To adjust your concurrency slot quantity, head over to the Purchase Additional Slots section where you'll find the plus icon. Tap the plus icon once to bump your additional slots up to 3. Hit it again to make that 4 slots. One more click takes you to 5 additional slots. Each click adds another slot, so you can keep going until you reach the capacity you need for your campaigns. The slot quantity is now set. Let's go to the next step, which is reviewing available payment gateways to see which options are available for completing this purchase. Now that you've picked your slots, it's time to choose how you'd like to pay. You'll notice Razorpay is available as one of the payment gateways here. And right next to it, PayPal is offered as an alternative, giving you flexibility based on what works best for you. The payment gateway options are now clear. Let's go to the next step, which is selecting Razorpay to securely process our payment. To move ahead with a secure checkout, go with Razorpay as your payment gateway and it'll start opening up right away. The secure payment gateway is now loading. Let's go to the next step, which is exploring Razorpay payment options, where you can review all the available methods to complete your purchase. The Razorpay secure gateway will start loading in a moment. Once it's fully loaded, you'll see all the payment options laid out for you. You've got a bunch of choices here, starting with UPI and cards at the top. Go ahead and check out the cards option if you'd like to pay via credit or debit card. There's also an EMI option available, which is handy for splitting the payment into monthly installments. Next up is net banking if you prefer paying directly through your bank. You can scroll through the list to find your specific bank from the available options. And finally, there's the wallet option for services like PhonePe or Amazon Pay. Keep an eye on the available offers section too, since you might snag some cashback on your purchase. We've reviewed all the payment options available through Razorpay. Let's go to the next step, which is exiting the payment module to head back to our concurrency dashboard. To exit the payment module, hit the close button in the top right corner. Razorpay will ask you to confirm since closing. Now we'll cancel the transaction. Go ahead and confirm by clicking Yes, Exit. The payment module is now closed. Let's go to the next step, which is returning to concurrency status to verify our updated slots. And you're back on the concurrency status page, where you can scroll down to review your updated slot details once the payment is confirmed. And you're back on the concurrency status page, all set. That's how you purchase concurrency slots without any hassle. Catch you in the next one.